Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about the ownership costs associated with my 2015 Hyundai Genesis 5.0. With only 120,000 kilometers on it, I am only doing preventative maintenance. For an oil change, I pay $105 Canadian at a local shop. This is regular 5W20 oil, not synthetic. The Genesis takes a lot of oil, 9.2 quarts of it. Oil changes need to be done every 5,000 kilometers. The tires on the Genesis has been a very bad experience for me. The front tires are 245/40 R19s, while the rear tires are 275/35 R19s. These tires can be very expensive compared to a normal car, as you can see in this photo. My problem is that the rear tires wear out faster than the front. So I brought it to a local dealership to see if there's anything wrong with the suspension, but they found nothing. An alignment was done also, but it didn't help. So make sure you leave some room in your budget for tires depending on how much you drive. My first set of tires didn't even last 20,000 kilometers on the rear, which is quite sad. The engine air filter can be a DIY project. Check the description below for the link on how to replace it. There are only two filters, but they are not the same size. eBay has it for cheap, just don't go to the dealership for it. The last thing I want to talk about is the fuel economy. Fuel economy is very good for a V8 with all-wheel drive, as I average 10.4 liters per 100 kilometers on mixed driving. Although Hyundai recommends premium fuel, I put regular. I don't notice any performance differences, though fuel economy is slightly better with premium fuel. The Genesis has a 20.3 gallon fuel tank, and I get around 650 kilometers of range from a full tank of gas. It all depends on your driving habits and how much you drive. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment down below if you have any questions regarding this car. Thank you.